What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we doing a review on the Nike SB Dunk Court Purples. And it's not the first time we seen this sneaker, right? The Jordan 1s had them. I really like that sneaker. I got rid of it. I wore it to the ground, but the Jordan 1s did it. If y'all remember, the Union Dunk Low did it a little bit also. And SBs did it already. Had the gum bottom. I might like those a little bit better. But these ones here, I think, is more classic, more original to the Dunk. Because, you know, the Dunk started on the basketball court purple. And then it went to the skateboard. But these are right, man. I like them. We're going to do a full 4K fire review on these. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So like I told y'all, the court purple and the pine green Jordan 1s, you remember that. That's when Jordan 1s was at the top of their game, man. If you haven't, check out my video where I tell y'all why the Jordan 1s are on the decline. Very good video, very informative. But we're about the court purple SB Dunks today. And you know we don't do a lot of talking at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get a purple box for the court purples. You see what I did there? Whatever. I mean, last year, all the boxes has been coming in the white platinum box with the white with the platinum check. Some of them been coming in the purple ones like the candy cane joints I showed y'all for Halloween. Not candy cane. Candy corn joints. But we got a purple box, and some of them last year have been coming in purple boxes. Run the Jew joints and a few others. But we get the purple box for the court purples, and it reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Court Purple Black White. That's the colors, guys. When you flip open the lid, you get the SB tissue paper and a green. I don't know how they decide whether to just make this black or to make this green. I still don't know what the design is. It looks like tree bark to me. Someone please in the comment section below let me know what that is. But you get the regular green tissue paper and you get the Nike SB Dunk glow in the dark sticker that we've been getting for a few releases last year also. I guess Nike SB has turned into Supreme. And let's start with the right shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Nike SB Dunk Court Purple, guys. Now, y'all know I usually don't like a SB Dunk without a story. But purple, y'all know I'm a Laker fan, so I'm going to always gravitate to some Hyper Beast purple or yellow, guys. But let's start with the toe box. Toe box, all white, nice leather, guys. Like, I won't say premium, but it's definitely fine leather. It's not the cheap leather that you get on some of the regular Dunks. But the leather's dope, man. Very stiff. Around there, you get your black toe look. Black around the toes. Again, better leather than your regular Dunk, but not the premiumest of leather. As you can see, it creases a little bit right there already. But good leather. Coming to the middle of the sneaker, you get that sandwich white in the back. Black swoosh. No tumbledness, but you rarely get tumbledness on the SB or on the Dunk in general. But you can see that it's soft leather again, as you can see the creases. Black swoosh comes up to that court purple there. Looks just like a low top Jordan 1 court purple in my opinion. Come around the back, the Nike logo that I really love is in the same black leather as the sneaker. They could have either made that purple or white, but I kind of like the stealth look. Black on black, giving that like leather motorcycle jacket look. And you still can you can see it, like it's not hidden. Coming to the middle or the inside of the sneaker, the court purple comes back in. Black swoosh. Look behind the black swoosh. You see no tumbleness, but you can see it's soft leather as you see the creases already. Back to the toe box. The bottom here, court purple at the bottom. Like I showed y'all that SB Dunk that had that gum at the bottom. It gave that SB a better look in my opinion. But if you're calling it court purple, I don't see why you just don't add all kind of purple. The bottom, all purple. That's why it creeps in there. And then a black Nike logo dead side in the middle. White mesh tongue. Of course, it's fat pillow look because it's an SB, guys. Nike SB. It should say Dunk Low Pro there. Yeah, that's what they usually say. Dunk Low Pro there. Big pillow mesh tongue. The back of the tongue has purple, court purple more. Really, I don't remember seeing like a SB with like a two-sided tongue with colors, but I guess since it's court purple, they had to go all in there. The inside's also purple, guys. Nike Zoom Air. Of course, every SB Dunk has the Nike Zoom Air. Helps with the skateboarding, helps with the Achilles right there in the inside. That's also purple, guys. And you get some white shoelaces. It comes in black shoelaces, but you get some white shoelaces. I don't know why we don't get court purple shoelaces, but I guess they feel like they court purple does enough for the sneaker. That was the right. This is the left, guys. Nothing changes on the sneaker. The tongue stays the same. Everything stays the same. Leather looks the same. No glue stains, guys. No threads out of order. Everything looks okay far as quality also. Yes, sir. So as I told y'all, man, I'm a Laker fan. Whenever I hear that word court purple or golden yellow, I'm going towards it because I got a whole bunch of stuff to match. I got a fire hottest style coming for this sneaker also. So people who want to own a Nike SB Dunk, I'm saying this is the go-to. This is like the starter point. Retail was $100. I think $125 straight from the Nike app. And the sneaker's gettable. Probably not on a Nike app, but if you have a store that has Nike SB Dunks, you can definitely get this sneaker for the low. If you want to get into SBs, this is the starter point, guys. I'm just bummed out. This is an SB with no like kind of story behind it, but I like it, man. It's a nice clean shoe. You get the Zoom Air technology, you get the fat tongue, so you kind of still get that SB love. Goat and StockX have this sneaker for about $150, $140, depending on your size. Again, $125 retail, little $15 over, ain't gonna hurt. I do not think this sneaker is gonna go up. This sneaker came out, I want to say 3 years ago. I think like 3 years ago, and it was out the park, guys. It was a $400 sneaker, $350 sneaker, but this restock brought it down to reality. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, man. Everybody, get rich.